Hello everyone, this is CCA Lamborghini Temerario. Somebody asked, since these come with screws, so can I just open it up and show them the interior, whatever is inside this casting? So let's do that. So I've taken off both the screws and you can see already the base has come loose. So this is how it looks. So unlike Hot Wheels where the wheels are like fixed with plastic, here you just have this metal plate and then the wheels are right there, which actually helps in giving it a bit of suspension. Like you see this plate moves, it's a flexible plate. So that's the base, a plastic base with those flexible axles, I would say. And then you've got the casting with this interior which is fixed right here, so you can take that off. So this is how it sits, and this is the actual casting with glasses like side and front fixed into it. So this is how it looks when it's disassembled. If you have any more questions, you can leave a comment and I have to assemble it again, otherwise I'm going to lose all the parts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.